Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to upload videos to Google Drive and share them with anyone, anytime. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to confidently upload your videos and send them out without any hassle. Let's dive in. Uploading a video to Google Drive first, navigate to your Google Drive home screen. You can do this by visiting drive.google.com and signing in with your Google account. Once you're in, look for the big New button on the left-hand side and click it. From the menu that appears, choose File Upload. A File Explorer window will pop up. Here, browse your computer and select the video you want to upload. Once selected, click Open and your upload will begin. You'll see a small pop-up at the bottom right of your screen showing the upload progress. Depending on your video size and internet speed, this might take a few seconds to a few minutes. After the upload is complete, locate your video in your Google Drive files. Congratulations! Your video is now safely stored in the cloud, sharing your video. Next, let's share it. Click on the video file you want to share, and then look for the Share icon at the top of the screen. It usually looks like a little figure with a plus symbol. Click it, a sharing window will appear. By default, your video might be set to Restricted, which means only people you specifically invite can view it. To make it easier, click on Restricted and select anyone with the link. You can also adjust permissions here. For simple and secure sharing, it's best to keep it as Viewer, so others can watch your video but not make changes. Finally, click Copy Link. That's it. Your video link is now copied to your clipboard, ready to share via email, chat, or anywhere you like. And that's how easy it is to upload and share videos on Google Drive. Now you can store your videos safely in the cloud and share them with anyone instantly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial.